What up, natties? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I know, don't you all beat me up at once. It has been a while since I have recorded a video. Sorry. You know, sometimes life happens and you just don't know what to do. So sometimes you got to take a back seat to certain things. And unfortunately, this was one of the things that I had to fall back from for a little bit. But guess what? I'm back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey. Anywho, so today, my beautiful natties, I am going to attempt to do this style that I saw on Instagram. I absolutely fell in love with it when I saw it, and I was like, yo, I gotta do that. Like, I gotta do it. So I'm not even gonna keep y'all, because y'all know I like to talk. I'm not gonna keep y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm going to use throughout the video. And then I will show you what it looks like. Oh, I prayed before I did this video, y'all. I was like, Lord, please let this be easy and let me be able to do it and it come out looking bomb. Okay? So, for this style, I'm going to be using this type of hair. I actually love this type of hair. When I'm braiding people's hair, I tell them to get this type of hair because a little goes a long way, especially when you're doing feed-in braids. This time I'm going to be doing crochet. I'm going to be crocheting this hair in and braiding it. But this is the hair, okay? For my parts to be precise and look very clean, I am going to use the beautiful Shine and Jam. This stuff, whew, when I want to lay my edges, I use this and then I put my edge control on top, and I mean, them things be looking something crisp, okay? And I am going to have to use thread and needle just so I can sew my hair down. But y'all will see everything that's gonna go on in the video because I'm about to show you. I definitely need to let y'all know that my hair is washed and I have my leave-in conditioner in. So I definitely wanted to put that nugget in too, as if you couldn't tell. Just in case you couldn't tell, it's washed and I have my leave-in in, okay? All right. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start off by removing my twist and any excess water that's left in my hair. Oh, and I'm going to take some time to appreciate these curls. Okay, girl. So I'm going to start by parting my hair, and I will use my Shine and Jam to help define the part a little bit more. I'm going to section my hair off in 4 sections so that I can have a braid in each section, and you'll see that throughout the video.
Now I have completed braiding my hair, and now it's time to sew my braids down.
Sorry, y'all. I had to go delete some stuff off my phone.
Okay guys, so now I'm going in and crocheting the hair into the braid. I'm only going to crochet it halfway down the braid, and I will repeat the same step on the opposite braid. Once I finish crocheting the hair into the braid, I'm going to braid the hair down. And once I finish braiding the hair down, I'm going to sew that braid on top of my hair. Okay guys, so now I've finished braiding both sides of my hair, and now I'm just going through and fluffing them out to the desired thickness that I like my braids. Once I finish fluffing both sides out, I'm going to sew them down on top of my hair and then sew the braids together in the back.
Okay, what up, natties? So here is the finished product. Okay, so let me show y'all a little bit. I am thoroughly pleased. Okay, so let me just say, I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, y'all, I forgot to put my daggone. I forgot to let my edges a little. Let me have me a little edge action this way. Y'all, I had fun doing this style because I like doing different stuff, and I just really like, and it was not that hard, and it didn't take as long as I thought it would. Yo, I ain't really leave too much of my hair out because I kind of want this to last a little bit. But I'm telling you, when it get old, okay, the baby hairs is about to be popping. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it. Also, let me know where you would wear this hairstyle to, because it is cute, honey. This would definitely be a good date night hair, okay? Okay. Don't play with it. Don't play. Let a sister know. Tell me. Engage, okay? All right. So I just want to thank you guys as always for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for all of my subscribers for subscribing to me. And as always, I want to leave you all with a bit of encouragement, okay? So I have been having a rough couple of weeks. Actually, the last month has been a little rough for me. And I've been asking God, what are you up to? What are you up to? What are you up to? And you know, I'm always telling you guys to trust the process, and this is what he's making me do. Proverbs 3:5 says, trust in the Lord with all of your heart and lean not into your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will direct your path. It doesn't say he'll tell you what your path is, but he said he will direct your path. So you always have to trust the process that he had you in. Sometimes we go through things because of us, and other times we go through things because he's orchestrated it. In either case, we still have to trust the process, because also in Romans 8:28, it tells us that all things, good and bad, work together for the good of those who love God and are called according to his purpose. So God is taking care of us from the Old Testament to the New Testament and to today. And we have to trust that he is all wise, all knowing, all loving, and that he's not going to do anything to hurt us. Everything he does, it is for a greater plan. And we don't see the bigger picture. He does. Our finite minds cannot comprehend all that God is and all that he does and why he does things the way he does them. But we can trust him because he's perfect and he's proven himself time and time again. So I just want to encourage y'all, just because it doesn't look like you think it should, or it's not going the way you think it should be going or you want it to go, God knows exactly what he's doing. Continue to press on, continue to trust God, and continue to trust the process. Guys, thanks so much for watching my YouTube channel. I hope y'all like this style, because woo, I gotta find somewhere to go after this. I would ask that you thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. As always, thanks again. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and always trust the process. Bye.